All right, let me break down how I made $25,942 in just 1 day of trading, and that too in 90 minutes. Hey, fancy stuff. All right, let's go over this. Honestly speaking, the only reason why I make these videos, bro, is because I love making content. Genuinely, that's it. Otherwise, what I'm gonna do is spend all the married people you will understand. All right, for people who are like, why do you even try? Why are you doing this, bro? All the married people you will understand this. All right, really, really well. Imagine this: out of 24 hours a day, I spend 2 hours trading plus, let's say, 30 minutes journaling plus 30 minutes just back testing and stuff. That's 3 hours. 21 hours plus 3, 24. Now what else do you do in 21? Let's say you sleep 6 hours, right? 6 normal as an adult. 15 hours left. Bro, you want me to spend 15 hours a day with my loving wife? Oh my goodness, bro. I think I'm gonna go crazy, like full on. So what else do I do other than trading? I spend about 8 hours a day just making content, helping people out, do this, help them out. 8 plus 3, that's 11. I sleep like 6 hours, 7 hours, whatever. I have like 3, 4 hours left. That is okay. But 15, bro, oh my god. I'm already a trader. I'm already a day trader. I'm 26 years old and I look 45 because I'm a day trader. And this stuff is hectic. The heartbeat is always up. Because the heartbeat is up, you age quick. And now you want me to spend 15 hours a day with my wife, bro. Oh my god. I don't want my wife to hear this, but fuck, I'll get old really, really quick. Which is why I do this stuff. Otherwise, do you think I love coming here and talking to you guys? I mean, I do, but but still, it's like that's why I do it. Anyway, all right, let's talk about the trades that I took. I took a lot of trades, man. First trade I took on Nvidia. Let me just really quickly break it down. Nvidia trade somehow didn't work. The momentum slowed down with me. Look at this VWAP. This white line is a VWAP. VWAP is so flat. That means prices are so choppy. Anyway, in the morning, prices are pushing towards the upside. As soon as this market opened, it started pushing. And you might be like, oh yeah, but bro, you show this after the fact. After the market close, you can say enter here, exit here. No, I day trade live with my students. Like they see my screen in the real time. So I can't. There's no way in the world I'll come here and be like, oh yeah, I took this, and all my people are gonna be like, yeah, you didn't. So you're gonna understand, like, this is the stuff that I trade with them. So they know. Anyway, this is basically what happened on Nvidia. Right, market was pushing towards the upside. Around this time, Nvidia became 4 trillion, first company in the world to hit 4 trillion. From my understanding, 4 trillion, first company in the world, or first company that hit $4 trillion market cap, first ever. That's roughly here, and the prices rejected a little bit as soon as it happened. All right, hey, understandable. Okay, no problem. That means some people sold. Understandable. Now, because the prices are at all-time highs, when the prices are all-time highs, we do not have enough data to compare it with. We don't know where the price is gonna, like, it has never been in the past prices I've ever traded it. This is the first time, this is the price discovery phase. So price is rejected here. This is the most recent resistance level that I have where the sellers came in. Now I'm like, okay, let's see if the candle can close above, come back and retest this. I'll go long with a move towards the upside, right? This is what I'm thinking. What happened? Next candle closed above. I'm like, okay, this is nice. Let's see if it can come back retest. It came back retest. I'm like, all right, this looks nice. Let me go long here. I went long. The momentum slowed down. Now I'm long here. Now, if the momentum was strong, this is what happened. Big candles. Momentum slowed down. Oh man, I was expecting it to keep pushing. But you know what? Momentum slowed down, whatever. I was in the trade. Candles becoming smaller and smaller. Red candle became bigger than the green candles. Clearly, you can see. So clearly, sellers are jumping in. And then I hit my stop loss roughly. Yeah, I hit my stop loss a few minutes later. And this is the first trade that I took on the day, which kind of, didn't go as planned. But no problem. While I was in this trade, we took plenty of the trades. I'll just break down really quick trades. This is a trade that didn't work. QQQ's trade. Went long here for a quick scalp. As soon as it broke above your ORB, retested the ORB, went long. This is the first profit target. These yellow lines. And as soon as I hit my first yellow line, took some profits. Let's say if I'm in 20 contracts, I'll take 10 contracts off. And the 10 contracts will be the stop loss as break even on the option contract. So if my entry is $1.80 and right here, let's say I exited at $2, my stop loss straight away becomes $1.80. As soon as I take profits, I don't want to lose any of the money that I already made. That money is mine already. Why do I give it back? So then my break even got triggered. Yeah, whatever. Small trade, quick scalps. Market just wanted me to quickly scalp. I waited for entry here. I didn't find an entry. No problem. When I found an entry, it was a quick scalp. It is what it is. Same for Amazon. It was a quick move around this right here. Why? Because as soon as it broke the ORB is the range of first 15 minutes of the market open. Go to the indicator settings at the top, set ORB, and change these settings right here. And as soon as it broke the ORB right here, it made a beautiful flag. It's called level flag strategy. Made a beautiful flag here. I went long here, and this trade paid. This trade really paid. As soon as the prices were pushing towards the upside, we kept taking profit based off these past levels that I had from the other day. So we kept taking profits. Everything was good, and all of a sudden, you know what happened after this? Prices rejected. But we were glad that we took profits at the top. So this is a beautiful trade. Quick scalp again, but this trade paid way more than scalp. We took MU. So for MU trade, absolutely beautiful as well. Again, these are one of those trades, fam. That again, same thing on MU. Trend started picking up, pushback. We jumped in, and we took the trade towards the downside. These are the trades that you have to understand, that there's sometimes in the market when the market wants to give you day trades. Day trades means the trades that you hold for whole day. There's sometimes the market wants to give you a scalp. You just take first profit taking, then you put your stop loss as break even. Whatever happens after that is not in your control. You see what I'm saying? So this is good. The MU is good. Then we took Meta. Again, I'm really quickly breaking this stuff down. This is the stuff that we did in the real time. I know. It can be a little bit hectic as well sometimes. Now, after 10 o'clock, I jumped on a 5-minute chart. This is what I do. For first 30 minutes of the day, I'd use 2-minute chart, okay? And at 10 o'clock Eastern time, I jumped to 5-minute chart for 1 hour, 10 to 11 Eastern time, okay? After that 10-minute chart, but I was done within first 90 minutes. So I jumped on a 5-minute chart. I was looking at this Meta. I was like, okay, let's see what happens. Meta made a beautiful move towards the upside right here. Made a beautiful flag, started pushing towards the upside, and then finally pulled back. If you look at this right here, man, right here, this pullback that's happening, on a 2-minute chart, it looks like a beautiful flag that I normally would watch around this. Beautiful flag that I normally would watch. As soon as we switched to the 5-minute chart, I was watching that flag on a 2-minute chart. We switched to 5-minute chart. As soon as we took that, the next level was here, 436.34 coming from, and this level was coming from right here. On a 60-minute chart, I drew some levels, and that became the profit target. Quick scalp. Again, beautiful. Scalp here and there. Done. And at around the same time on SPX, this is the biggest trade of the day. This became a 300% trade because the market, when it wants to pay you, bro, it wants to pay you. What happened? At the top, we saw this. So we have this doji candle. This is what doji candle means like. When a trend pushes really strong and then makes a doji candle at the top, you do not enter at the doji candle, but you start getting ready. See if the price is turned around, then gives you a pullback. And then if this pullback thing where it pulled back from breaks below, it can go. All right, understand this again. If the price is reversed, wait for it to pull back. Let it pull back. Do not enter at the pullback right here. Wait for this lows to break again. Then jump in. This is how the reversals work. And on SPX, that's exactly what happened. I was watching, all right, came down, bounced from here, came down. I waited for this lows to break. As soon as this lows break, I jumped in. Check this out. Boom, drop. Boom, drop. Boom, drop. Bro, this one paid. Like, it went from $4 to, I think, total $17. But I took profits at 62.50 with a stop loss at break even. I took some profits here. It was like over 100% trade already here. I put the stop loss at break even. Now, when I do the stop loss at break even, what happens? If it bounced, my break even gonna get triggered. But if it keeps going down, I'm gonna just start printing. And it kept going down. And where did I take profits now? When I'm watching SPX, I'm also whenever I'm trading SPX, I'm watching SPY's chart as well. Okay, so on SPY, in the pre-market, even if you check my Instagram, I posted this as well, that the SPY is forming a beautiful trend line at the bottom. Even here in my Discord, I send levels every day. I sent this trend line at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Every single day I send this stuff. People were watching my screen in the real time. I was telling people that this is what I'm doing. Anyway, what happened? Check this out. This trend line is approaching. We have 200 moving average here. We have 400 moving average here. These are simple moving averages. And we have a trend line. So I was like, okay, if the prices come down here, this is the profit target for entire position. I'm jumping out. I'm done. What happened? Prices came down in my zone. I jumped out. What happened? Boom. Bro, just like that, man. You smashed the market just like that. You don't need to overthink. You don't need to, and that level turned out to be, the whole day was such a respectful level. You gotta. This is why you need somebody who around you who knows how to trade. You need to be in my program. You need to be in the Discord who knows how to trade, who knows how to draw levels, send levels every day. And this is the levels every single day. I send a level, send my levels 8:30 Eastern time. I send my levels and I make a video of how I'm watching those levels, where these levels are coming from. So you can learn where these levels are coming from every single day, no matter what it is, every single day. And I've been doing it forever, man. Forever. And this is like June 25. If you keep going up, I do this every day. I haven't taken a day off long time because I love trading. All right, let's see where this is. I'm not being a salesman here. I'm just trying to see. I'm trying to see if I can help you. Like, this is May. Every day levels. Anyway, so if this trade actually really paid. I didn't want to make a long video. Just wanted to quickly break down how to trade, and sometimes it's long videos are cool, but sometimes short videos you learn, you grab what you needed, and you go by your day, and that's what I think the goal should be. So I hope you learn a thing or two from here, and also do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, because 90% of you guys watching the videos, man, subscribed. I looked at the data and I was surprised. Subscribe, subscribe, and check the first link in the description box below if you want to trade live with me every single day while watching my screen. And I'm out. Peace. Goodbye. And don't tell my wife I told you guys the story while I make content. All right. I'm out.